I think it's safe to say that I am officially the bird man. That feeder right there is on my showcase in my profile. And if you buy one of these or anything else in my showcase, it goes to a great cause. Being able to make these for a living, because I need to rebuild my wood shop after a fire. But pretty little morning dove with us. Has no idea that I'm here, so that's pretty cool. I know a lot of people would want one of these, so if I could just get half my followers to purchase anything off my showcase, next summer I'll be making one of these. I'm not asking people to donate money, I'm asking people to purchase something on my showcase to where you get something out of it, and so do I. And then I can start making these things for everybody, because they're absolutely awesome, and your kids and pets would really enjoy something like this. And your guest would be entertained as well. There's a beautiful male cardinal. I wish I could get in closer to him. He'll come here and I'll try to get it recorded, but I got plenty of entertainment right here. Anyway, everybody have a great day, and come to my showcase, click on my profile, see if there's any products on there that you guys like. I'm always adding something on there. There's a lot of convenient things, pretty nice things, some things that could even save your life. Everybody have a great day. I'm coming from Huntington, West Virginia, everybody. My name is Nick, and I appreciate everybody for giving this a watch. But these things are pretty cool. If you want one, better come and see me. Do yourself a favor.
Work with me. All that meal prep for what? Not much. Looking for personal health care made for you. Hair loss, mental health. Oh,